high and dry, where no one can see. If there's no one to blame, blame it on me. Storm in the sky, fire in the street. If there's nothing but pain, put it on me. You are the cold, inescapable proof. You're the evil, the way, and the life, and the truth. Your revival beginning, and your genocide, and now watching wonder. You are the cold, inescapable proof. You're the evil, the way, and the life, and the truth. Your revival beginning, and your genocide, and now watching wonder. Hung high and dry, where no one can see. If there's no one to blame, blame it on me. Storm in the sky, fire in the trees. If there's nothing but pain, put it on me. I know that you'll never feel like I do when I break into pieces right in front of you. When I burn down the city and string up the noose, and you watching. Hung high and dry, where no one can see. If there's no one to blame, blame it on me. Storm in the sky, fire in the trees. If there's nothing but pain, put it on me. I know that you'll never feel like I do. I will break into pieces right in front of you. I will burn down the city, string up the noose, and you're watching wonder.
This dance is called Unspoken Trust, choreographed by Malene Jakobsen. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, advanced level rolling 8 count line dance. There are 1 tag and 1 restart in this dance. Section 1. Starting with right foot, step right foot to the right side and sway to your right diagonal, quarter turn left forward facing 9, quarter turn left side facing 6, left foot behind, hit your right, behind side cross, step left foot to the side and prep for the turn, 3/4 turn to your right, quarter turn right forward facing 9, half turn right, stepping back facing 3, right foot back, sweep your left, behind side forward, forward, hit your left. Section 2, walk back, left, right, left, quarter turn right, side facing 6, cross, quarter turn right, forward, forward, facing 9, pivot quarter turn to your right, cross, side, facing 12, behind, quarter turn right, forward, facing 3, step left foot forward, pivot half turn right, facing 9, half turn right, stepping back, quarter turn right, side, sweep your left facing 6 o'clock. Section 3, cross, 1/8 left, back facing 430, back, sweep your right, behind, 1/8 left, forward, forward, facing 3. Step left foot forward, make a spiral full turn right, forward, forward, forward. Pivot half turn to your left, facing 9. 1.5 turn to your left, half turn left back, half turn left forward, half turn left back, sweep your left facing 3 o'clock. Last section, left foot, behind side cross, recover side cross, step left foot to the side and prep your body to the left diagonal. Quarter turn right, forward facing 6, together forward, sweep your left, cross side behind. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and In the stance, there's a 4 count tag after wall 2 facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you the tag. Starting with the right foot, scissor step, side together cross, left foot, scissor step, side together cross, side behind. With the counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and On wall 4, you will dance 16 counts, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 4 with counts, starts facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and Restart the dance facing 12, 1, without sweep your left. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.